Grade 7 Physics, Chapter Light, Module 3. Objectives: to identify the spherical mirrors, to list the characters of images formed by a concave and convex mirror, to list the uses of concave and convex mirror. Spherical mirrors. Look at your image using the inner side of the spoon. This time, you may find that your image is erect and larger in size. If you increase the distance of the spoon from your face, you may see your image inverted. You can also compare the image of your pen or pencil instead of your face. The curved shining surfaces act as a mirror. The most common example of a curved mirror is a spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave or bent inwards, it is called a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is convex, that means bulged outwards, then it is called a convex mirror. Here you can see the diagrams of convex mirror and concave mirror. See the differences between the characters of images formed by a flat mirror and a convex mirror. In a flat mirror or in a plane mirror, you can see the same sized image, but in a convex mirror, the image formed is smaller in size. At the same time, the image formed in a concave mirror is larger in size when the object is very near to the concave mirror. Here we have to explain the characters of image formed by a concave mirror. A concave mirror can form a real and inverted image. Images which can be obtained on a screen are called real images. When the object is placed very close to the mirror, the image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. Here you can see magnified virtual image formed by a concave mirror when the candle is placed very near to the mirror. In this picture, you can see a real image formed on a screen which is inverted. Now let us check the image formed by a convex mirror. A convex mirror can form images which are erect, virtual and smaller in size than the object. Here you can see the candle image is very small in the convex mirror. Now, uses of concave mirror. Concave mirrors are used as shaving mirrors or makeup mirrors or by dentists to see the enlarged image of the teeth, and in torches or beam lights, then in solar furnaces. Uses of convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as side view mirrors in vehicles. This is because convex mirrors can form images of objects spread over a large area. So these help the drivers to see the traffic behind them. Also, it is used as shop security mirrors. In this module, you have learned about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are convex mirrors and concave mirrors. Images formed by concave and convex mirrors. Uses of concave mirror and convex mirror.